Hi, welcome. Imagine we're sitting down with a cup of coffee and I'm telling you the heart of The YouTube Formula by Derral Eves, boiled down into a clear, listenable roadmap you can actually use. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the big ideas, the simple mindset shifts, and the practical moves that help creators grow on YouTube. No jargon, just useful, story-driven advice you can put to work. The big idea. YouTube is a system, not a mystery. Think of YouTube like a huge, very busy library full of readers looking for something they didn't even know they wanted. The platform isn't magic. It's a system that connects people to videos based on signals, what people click on, how long they watch, and what they do next. The secret is this. If you give the system clear signals that real people enjoy your videos, YouTube will show your videos to more people. That's the formula in one line. Start with the viewer, intent, and attention. Before worrying about the algorithm, start with the human, the viewer. What is their intent when they land on your video? Do they want to be educated, entertained, inspired, or just distracted for 5 minutes? When you understand that intent, you create content that matches it. Here's an example. If someone searches how to fix a leaky faucet, they want a quick, reliable solution. A great video would open with a 10-second promise. Fix a leaky faucet in 3 steps, and then deliver clearly and quickly. That short, honest promise is how you win attention. Hook early. Keep attention. Respect time. Derral keeps hammering the same point. Hooks matter. The first 5 to 15 seconds are the elevator pitch of your video. If you don't show value fast, people will click away. But it's not just about a flashy start. It's about fulfilling that promise and pacing your content so viewers stay. Retention is the single most important currency on YouTube. Longer watch times and steady attention signal to the platform that your content satisfies. Picture your video like a roller coaster. You need a strong first climb, the hook, steady momentum, the content, and satisfying payoff, the ending, so people feel the ride was worth it. Title plus thumbnail are the front door to your video. Think of a thumbnail as the cover of a book and the title as the blurb on the back. Both should be honest, clear, and intriguing. Tempting clickbait may work short-term, but if the video doesn't deliver, viewers leave, and the platform learns not to recommend you anymore. A practical rule: be specific. Lose 10 pounds in 30 days is more powerful than get in shape. Specific promises attract people with matching intent. Build a content library, themes, series, and pillars. Growth doesn't usually come from one viral video alone. It comes from a library of related content, what Derral calls content pillars. Pick a handful of themes your audience cares about and produce series within those themes. Series keep people watching multiple videos in a row. Playlists are your friend here. They create an easy path for viewers to move from one video to the next. Imagine a TV channel. Viewers come for one show, then stick around for others. Your channel should do the same. Common traps to avoid. Don't chase trends that don't match your channel's identity. Don't treat analytics like a scoreboard. Treat it like a coach. Avoid misleading thumbnails and titles. Short-term clicks hurt long-term growth. Final metaphor: the matchmaker and the orchestra. Here's a simple image to hold on to. YouTube is a matchmaker and an orchestra conductor. It matches content to people, and it rewards videos that fit into a pleasing rhythm for viewers. Your job is to write songs people want to listen to play them consistently, and to tune them based on listener feedback. If you take one thing from this summary, let it be this: focus on real people first, then optimize for the system. Hook them early, deliver value, keep them watching, and use data to improve. Build a library of related content, collaborate honestly, and be consistent. Do those things, and the algorithm will become your amplifier, not your boss. Optimize, measure, iterate. Data is your map. Don't guess. Use YouTube Analytics the way a chef uses a recipe book to test, tweak, and repeat. Watch real metrics: click-through rate on thumbnails, average view duration, audience retention curves, and what videos lead viewers to subscribe. Run simple experiments. Change a thumbnail, tweak the title, or try a different hook, and compare results. The point isn't to become obsessed with numbers, it's to use data as feedback. If a tweak gets people watching longer, do more of that. If not, change it. Collaboration and community. Accelerate growth. Collaborations are like friendly introductions. When two creators share audiences, both can benefit. But the collaboration should make sense, bring value to both audiences, and feel natural. Also, build a real community. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create content that invites viewers to return. Subscribers aren't a trophy, they're potential repeat viewers. Treat them that way. Distribution beyond upload. Make your video work everywhere. A video's life doesn't end when you hit upload. Repurpose content across short clips, community posts, and other platforms. Shorts, for example, can be a powerful discovery tool that leads viewers to your longer videos. Think of each piece of content as an asset you can slice, share, and reuse to get more people to the main pieces in your library. Monetization and purpose. Money follows value. Monetization is important, but it follows consistent value. Ads, sponsorships, memberships, they all work better when you've built trust and predictable viewership. Focus first on solving problems or entertaining consistently. Revenue streams come as a natural next step. Mindset and consistency. The long game. One line you'll feel throughout the book is, be patient and deliberate. YouTube rewards consistency and improvement. Treat your channel like a craft you're mastering. Keep learning, keep testing, and keep showing up. Think of growth as planting a garden. You plant many seeds, water them, and over time, you'll have a harvest. A few practical tips you can apply tomorrow. 1. Start your next video with a one-sentence promise. 2. Make your thumbnail readable at small sizes: big text, clear faces, or objects. 3. Turn a popular video into a short clip to pull new viewers in. 4. Check your retention graph to find the exact second viewers drop off. Then fix that part. 5. Make a 3 to 5 video series that naturally plays from one to the next.